Oh hey, what's up? I'm going to show all of you the wrong way to navigate on your phone when you're in your car. Here we go. Turn left 100 feet. You see how things can go wrong just like that? Find out what to do so things don't go wrong for you on this next episode of Good Tech Cheap. Hey, what's up? I'm your host, Kevin. Welcome to this episode of Good Tech Cheap. So, a phone mount in your car is the way to go, and we're going to talk about two of them. Two of them from Vicseed. Two car phone mounts that are easy to use for a very important reason. They are magnetic based. What does that mean? Oh, that means that they will actually connect with the back of your metallic phone, like your iPhone 12 or your iPhone 13. Just like that. What do you do if you have a phone case that isn't magnetic or metallic? The answer is simple. Vicseed, who is providing the magnetic phone mounts for review in this video, provides you with a kit that allows you to adhere magnetic strips in circle rings to your phone case so they interact with the magnet in the phone mount. Let's discuss some of the features of these car phone mounts. Here we go. So as I mentioned, these magnetic phone mounts are meant to work with the widest variety of phones possible, all kinds of different makes and models, and if you do happen to have a case that is magnetic, it'll actually work directly. If you don't, as I mentioned, and as you can see here, all you have to do is adhere one of the magnetic rings to the back of your phone case, and they give you several when you buy, and you'll be good to go. You're going to be working with N52 level magnets. What does that mean? Those are magnets that are far above the industry standard for magnetic phone mount. So what you're going to get is a magnet that's going to connect to your phone and stay connected. Don't worry about potholes. Don't worry about speed bumps. And hey, don't you forget, any orientation you want to have is totally okay. Horizontal, vertical, anything in between. You can rotate 360 degrees. You find the angle that you want for your phone mount, and you're good to go. What does it cost? I'm glad you asked me, and I'm going to assume you did. $29.98. That is right. Click on the link below. You'll see for yourself $29.98. But wait, there's more. There's another phone mount. What if your air vent does not work with a phone mount? This happens sometimes. Well, if your car has a CD changer, and raise your hand if you have a car old enough to still have a CD changer, then you're in luck. Option number 2 from Vicseed is a car phone magnetic mount with all of those features that also attaches to the CD slot in your car and secures it just as securely as the air vent holder. All the same technology, all the same positioning, all the same flexibility, all the same N52 magnet strength to lock it in place is all there. So there's your other option if your car mount cannot work in your air vent. Think about that for a minute. Also a really great price, $29.99. Click on that link in the description below and you'll see for yourself. You can buy one, you can give some as a gift to friends or family. Either way, don't hold your phone in your hand when you're driving. It's not a good idea. Hi everybody, I'm in my car and I have my phone. And as you can see, both car mounts have been installed. The one that goes in the CD mount is here. Pretty snug, it's nice and tight. And the one that goes in the air vent is also here. I've angled them to my preference. You can choose yours too. And now we do the phone test to be sure that they actually will hold a phone in place. I don't have a case for my phone. I've had my phone for 2 years and look, not a scratch on it. All right, so when you have a metal backed phone, you can actually place it on your car mount directly. You do not need to use any of the magnetic rings that they are kind enough to provide to you that you can put and actually get stuck to your case. So here is the phone metal back option. Here's the test. Are you ready? Let's do it. That's on there. Yeah, that's good. It's not moving. passes the test. That actually feels very satisfying. When you put it on and take it off, you can actually feel it grip immediately. Let's look at that one more time. It actually pulls the phone towards the magnet. Obviously, the other car mount that is CD mounted should work just as good, but just in case, pretty cool, right? Oh, has a really good grip. So there are your options. Your air vent mount or your CD mount. Either work, just depends on your personal preference, and you can angle the mount direction that you like to be able to access your phone. You guys want to go get ice cream? Siri, find me ice cream. Siri? Siri never listens to me. I think that about wraps it up for today. I want to thank Vicseed for sponsoring the video and sending us the car phone mounts so we could demonstrate them for you. Remember, $28.99, $29.99, link in the description below. Click on that. Buy one for yourself, buy one for friends or family. And don't hold your phone in your hand when you drive. Promise me you won't do it. Well, hey, from Los Angeles, California, I've been your host, Kevin. One more time, if you can, like the video, subscribe to our videos, turn on that notification bell so you know when we drop more videos. Also, stay safe, be kind. I'll see you next time.